Good morning, party people. Hard to believe I am still in Ohio, but I'm going to finish up what I got to do here today. I've been plugging away day by day. I got to finish up things as much as I can on dark cherry. Whatever I don't get done on dark cherry today will not get done. I got to do the timing belt on Panther today. Before I hit the road, I got to check the trailing arm bushings on Panther today. If those things are destroyed, that's going to be the only thing that stops me from leaving here in the morning. That's right, I'm planning on leaving here bright and early in the morning, headed directly to the DC area. I didn't say DC. Don't be trying to follow where I'm going. Don't be trying to trace me. Man. Now, Governor Como, he's locking it down even more. But I want to let you know, I've reviewed their travel arrangements and restrictions and procedures carefully, and I am safe to move about the earth. There's a couple different levels of permission that I have to enter that great state and city. I'm coming. I'm gonna be there. So don't worry, I'm coming. And I will go from place to place until I'm satisfied that I've helped the people that I'm coming to help sufficiently. So if I gotta stay in your location 2, 3, 4, 5 days, if we can afford it, I'll stay until we get those tasks done. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. I got some stuff to get shipped out, some things to arrange to pack up Panther, some things to complete on dark cherry, and then I will pick this up tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a nice day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Just about got this windshield out. I got past the corner of death over there. Now I got to come across over to here, and then I'll lift this thing out, set it somewhere where hopefully it won't get broke, get it in Panther, and whenever I get around to it. Got the manual stuff out, got the dash out. It's got a manual MCC, so I got some of that stuff out. The windshield is almost cut totally out. I was thinking about taking the sunroof out because I got one that's not working. I got one in there too, but anyway, I'm going to take these tail lights off. I'm going to leave that crossbar on there. I might take the antenna. I'm driving dark cherry around, and I notice the shift points seem a lot different on this car than the Panther. My guess is this thing has an M56L in it. On Panther, when I'm at 3,000, I'm at 75 miles an hour. In this car, when I'm at 3,000, I'm at 80 miles an hour. So my tack is lower on this car. But first gear seems to run a little longer than mine, and then second gear is a little short, and then third gear seems normal, fourth seems normal, and then fifth seems longer. So anyway, you see the cluster flashing. That's normally an indication you got a bad cluster. So I'm getting ready to replace that. I'm going to check mileage, reset the mileage on that other cluster I got out of the Goblin. I'm going to replace the door, replace a fender, replace a roof liner, and see what else is on my list. AC works. Not as cold as I'd want it to be, and I realized the fan in number 4 position, the fan cuts off. That indicates that you got a bad relay. Headed back to the house. Tried to get my tires taken care of at Sam's Club. They got some abbreviated hours couldn't help me. Why does a BMW M3 have the Polestar color? I was driving dark cherry today and realized the fan did not work in speed 4, so I'm gonna take the resistor out of that car right here. So this is how it looks when I strip them down. I could take the headlights, but nobody said they needed them. I may take them. Man, this place is freaking noisy. They don't look especially good, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I am going to get the resistor and a couple of fender clips because I got to replace the door and the fender on that car. I may hit that car with the polisher. That'll really help it. And I'm going to try to see what's going on with the sunroof. The sunroof's not working. I got a sunroof back in there, so I'm really not worried about sunroof not working. I could take the sunroof out of this car. I know it works. Maybe I'll do that. But I doubt I got energy to do anything, man. I'm freaking beat. I'm going to store my harvest and maybe pack up a couple things and then get to work on this car. I feel like I'm about to pass out. I got 2 bad tires on Panther, so like I said, I'm probably not going to go anywhere until I get those tires repaired, whether it be tomorrow or the next day. Probably Friday, so let's see how that goes. Let me clean up this mess, store my stuff where it won't get destroyed. Well, looky there, how easy it is to get at that resistor. Thank you, Lord. And here it is, the manual climate control fan resistor. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.